The reason why we're going out to eat is to celebrate 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Wow, there's no excitement at all. No excitement. What is going on? No. So that's why. So we're eating ramen, right? I got the most spicy one. Inside the ramen, there's egg, bamboo, seaweed, and sliced pork. And I wanted to because here's the thing. I know a lot of people be like, oh, you gotta do something. Even Colin, he's like, you need to celebrate, do something else. Like, you know what? I do have to do something. Let's go out to eat tonight. So here I am with the family. See? With the family over here at the little one. Little rook rat. Carter. Look at him, look at him. Little rook rat. Kaylin. The little sneaky one. And then my son Colin. Let's eat some noodles. We hungry, that's why. Got home from work, so tired, didn't want to cook. And it's cold, you know, the ramen's like perfect. Yes. My daughter wanted me to tell you guys that thank you for the 100,000 subscribers. Cheers. Anything you want to say? Like how you feel and all that?
I feel great. Great.
Why?
Because we did our first YouTube live.
You guys more excited about the plaque, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I haven't got it yet.
Well, like a couple weeks.
Try the chicken, Tom. I already tried it. You like it?
Let me show. This is the ramen right here.
Daddy got this guy.
So good. Look at this. I love it. It's actually very tasty. Some
We all got the same.
Korean chicken, right? Is it Korean? Kara chicken. Some fried rice. Dumpling. Wifey's got the spicy miso. What you eating, kid? Dry noodle? You like it? Anything you want to say?
Wait.
Anything you want to say? Like how you feel? How
Go
you?
to Carter.
No, Carter. Anything you want to say?
I wish you want to get the play button.
Aww, look at it, all serious. What about you, kid?
Thank you for 100,000 subscribers, and I hope you enjoy this. I have an answer to your question. No.
What?
I don't have anything
Let me
to
see you
say.
take a bite. Let me see you take a bite. Dang. Enjoying our time. Let me see you take a bite, love. Have a bite with some chicken too. This chicken, you take this,
You like the popcorn chicken?
you dip it in here, and then mix with the sauce, and then
You like the bamboo pork?
amazing. Amazing. Dude, I can't wait until we go to Vietnam trip. It's gonna be so fun.
You know, like Colin, you always have to sit next to the daddy. If you guys are both left-handed.
The food.
You sit next to me, you're gonna bump. I gotta book our excursion. I haven't done anything. Actually, I didn't even do a visa yet.
This is so good. It's not too salty. That's what I love about it.
I forget how much.
It's not too salty.
I think I could have shared a bowl with you if we were gonna finish.
You want an egg, Daddy?
Why don't you eat it?
I don't like eggs. I don't like eggs. Then why do you eat vegetables? I like sunny side up. Try the dumpling.
Ăn cho nó đi Honey.
Okay. Eat it though. It's good.
So how was your Batman set, Colin? Was it easy or hard? How long did it take you?
About 2 hours.
Good
2 hours. So where did you build it?
I'll build the Batman set. It's like a plane. It took me.
I'm I'm really celebrating my my achievement. Huh? Am I?
I'll combine them together.
Did the mirror light?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Can I open it? No.
Can we have a movie night? You want a movie night tonight?
Yes, please. I would rather hang out. Okay, here. No, it's Daddy's day. Would you rather hang out and karaoke or movie night?
So I actually have a daddy's day?
Yes. When you achieve a big goal, you have your own day. Please, I want to hang out.
It took me how many? Yeah, it took me exactly almost 2 years. Thank God for TikTok bag.
No, that was me.
That's what motivated me to pump it up.
I'm addicted because
I'm addicted. Addicted to what?
I predicted Daddy's thing. He would hit 100K at the end of the year. At the end of the year.
What did I tell you?
Okay, okay. I'm gonna go back to the car.
His stomach really, because he ate too fast.
You probably ate too fast, Colin.
No, I ate too much. That's the problem.
That's fine. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you for the support, and this is it. Just eating dinner with family and enjoying a good time. But other than that, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for that 100,000 subscribers. It's such a blessing. Hey guys, I just want to take this moment and personally say thank you so much for the support. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for the engagement, the likes, the share, the love, everything that you guys have done for the Thai Life channel. I'll be honest with you, 2 years ago, I didn't really have a clear path for what I'm gonna do as a career, you know. I'm getting older, you know, I got kids to raise, and, you know, my wife works hard. I was lost, y'all, and something in my head constantly telling me, like, you know, I want to create content. Like, I want to talk about nails, teach them everything about nail, every single thing, the experience, the drama. It's life. Life, we go through so much stuff, and I want to share that with you. You know? So I started creating, not knowing where this would take me. And that's why, you know, today I'm feeling very happy because hard work pays off, you know, hard work pays off. Like, you know, you just keep doing what you enjoy. You got to keep believing in yourself. And, you know, the road is tough. The road to anything you do is tough. Starting out is hard, you know, because you never have a clear answer. But you got to do it. Don't give up. You got to continue pushing yourself, because that's what I did, you know. But how did I do that? I didn't do it for the pay. Like, it wasn't because I want to make money. I wanted to do because I wanted to share. I want to be a foundation where you guys can laugh, learn, live, just have a good time, you know. That's what I wanted. And that's why I'm very thankful, you know, surpassing 100,000 subscribers. I mean, that is something I could never imagine, guys. And I tell you what, if you just keep working at it, you know, I don't even think about the subscriber. Every day I think about what can I do to make you guys learn and laugh. And that's it, guys. That's like every single day. I wake up, I take care of my family, I cook, clean, but throughout the whole process, I'm always thinking about my next move to keep you happy. That's real, guys. And you know what? I really enjoy what I do right now. It's not a job to me. Because you know why? Because I enjoy making you guys feel good about life. Because life is tough right now, guys. You know, a lot of people have a hard time. People dying out there. If I can make you guys laugh and just feel a little peace of mind, or maybe a little angry, but it's okay. At the end of the day, we're here together, and I just want to share that with you. I really appreciate you guys so much. I'm going to continue working hard. I'm going to continue to be humble. I'm going to continue to make sure that the Thai Life channel would never go away. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching to the end.